Tired of hopping between tools to manage your security vulnerabilities? Today, we're going to integrate Snyk with your Jira tickets, streamlining your vulnerability management process so you can focus on what matters, building secure applications and a happy team. Firstly, make sure you have an active Snyk account and the necessary Jira permissions. Log into your Jira instance and navigate to the Apps section. Click Find New Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace, where you'll search for the Snyk app or integration. Go ahead and type Snyk into the Marketplace search bar and select the appropriate app. On the app listing page, click Get App or Install. You'll likely be prompted to accept terms and conditions. Accept and install. You might be asked to provide your Snyk API token, which you can create within your Snyk account. Inside Snyk, navigate to your account settings to find the API token. Copy this token. Now, go back to Jira and paste your Snyk API token in the designated field within the app settings. Configure your integration settings. And that's it. Now you can create issues from Snyk vulnerabilities. This integration provides real-time visibility. Congratulations! Your Snyk vulnerabilities will now magically appear within your Jira tickets. Easily track, manage, and resolve those vulnerabilities.